Analysis of abnormal noise from the grader tandem box. Fault symptoms. A Model 719 motor grader, when driving on uneven road surfaces, emits a dry and muffled friction sound as the tandem box rocks up and down. However, this noise disappears when the machine travels on relatively flat surfaces. Fault analysis. Structurally, the noise is likely caused by a lack of lubrication between moving parts. Cause of the fault. The combination of the grader's tandem box and the rear drive axle is similar to a flanged connection between a hydraulic hose and another component. When grader travels on uneven roads, the tandem box swings up and down with the rear axle end face as the center point. In order to reduce the overall shaking of the grader and maintain its driving stability, this pivoting mechanism is located at both ends of the rear axle and contains wear-resistant rings designed to bear friction. To lubricate these rings, an oil cup is installed on the inner wall of the balance box. When the grader is in motion, the lubricating oil in the tandem box will be carried into the oil guide groove due to the rotation of the chain. The oil guide groove then directs the lubricating oil to the oil cup, and the lubricating oil flows through the oil passage to reach the wearing rings. If lubrication is insufficient, abnormal noise occurs due to increased friction at these rings. Troubleshooting. Remove the cover plate at the corresponding part of the tandem box, take out the lubrication cup, connect an oil pipe, and inject lubricant. Operate and move the grader to allow the tandem box to swing, then inject lubricant again to ensure the wear-resistant rings are fully lubricated. Operate the grader once more. Eventually, the abnormal noise disappears completely.